Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Step by Step English. This is day 10 of our English learning journey, and today we are going to practice 100 daily use English sentences. These sentences are very simple, very common, and super useful for daily conversations. If you want to improve your spoken English step by step, you're in the right place. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences and try to use them in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Step by Step English for daily English practice. Let's start learning. Morning routine. 1. I wake up early in the morning. 2. I turn off my alarm. 3. I stretch my body. 4. I make my bed. 5. I open the window for fresh air. 6. I brush my teeth. 7. I wash my face. 8. I take a quick shower. 9. I dry my hair with a towel. 10. I get dressed for the day. 11. I comb my hair. 12. I check the weather. 13. I prepare my breakfast. 14. I boil some water. 15. I make a cup of tea or coffee. 16. I eat my breakfast slowly. 17. I read the news on my phone. 18. I check my messages. 19. I plan my tasks for the day. 20. I leave the house. 'Work/study routine. 21. I go to work. 22. I arrive at my workplace. 23. I greet my co-workers. 24. I start my work. 25. I check my emails. 26. I attend a meeting. 27. I write some notes. 28. I focus on my tasks. 29. I solve problems at work. 30. I learn something new today. 31. I help my colleague. 32. I ask questions if I don't understand. 33. I drink water regularly. 34. I take short breaks. 35. I organize my desk. 36. I complete my assignments. 37. I review my work. 38. I send important emails. 39. I prepare for tomorrow's tasks. 40. I finish my work for the day. Afternoon routine. 41. I take a lunch break. 42. I eat lunch with my friends. 43. I drink a cold drink. 44. I relax for a few minutes. 45. I take a short walk. 46. I return to work. 47. I continue my tasks. 48. I answer phone calls. 49. I check my schedule. 50. I stay productive. Evening routine. 51. I leave my workplace. 52. I go back home. 53. I change my clothes. 54. I wash my hands. 55. I take some rest. 56. I talk with my family. 57. I drink tea in the evening. 58. I watch TV. 59. I listen to music. 60. I check social media. 61. I read a book. 62. I cook dinner. 63. I help with household chores. 64. I clean the kitchen. 65. I water the plants. 66. I take out the trash. 67. I organize my room. 68. I learn English for some time. 69. I practice speaking English. 70. I review what I learned today. 'Night routine. 71. I eat dinner with my family. 72. I drink a glass of water. 73. I wash the dishes. 74. I brush my teeth again. 75. I take a warm shower. 76. I change into my pajamas. 77. I set my alarm for tomorrow. 78. I check my phone one last time. 79. I turn off the lights. 80. I lie down on my bed. 81. I think about my day. 82. I feel grateful for today. 83. I say good night to my family. 84. I close my eyes. 85. I relax my mind. 86. I breathe slowly. 87. I try to sleep peacefully. 88. I fall asleep quickly. 89. I rest my body. 90. I prepare for a new day. Extra useful sentences. 91. I try to stay positive every day. 92. I keep my room clean. 93. I drink plenty of water. 94. I exercise for my health. 95. I manage my time well. 96. I stay focused on my goals. 97. I avoid wasting time. 98. I help others when I can. 99. I learn from my mistakes. 100. I improve myself every day. Tip: read these sentences out loud 2 to 3 times to improve your speaking.